Thank you for joining us. This video is brought to you by joininbound.com, and today we're going to be installing and using the cap system on the MakeIT Commercial Embroidery Machine. To begin, you have to remove the arms and the current hoop installation from the machine. And to do that, you just place your thumbs firmly on the arms of the machine, lifting the hoop and sliding it right out. To remove the arms, you want to use key number 3 on the Allen key set that we have included in your toolkit. You can start by inserting the Allen key number 3 into the bolt at the top of the arm and turning counterclockwise until it is loose. It does not come off completely, so you just want to turn it enough for it to be loose so that you can remove the arms. There are 2 bolts on top of the arm itself. Once you've removed, place aside and prepare the cap system. Now that the arms are off the machine, we have to engage the Smart Touch panel, the computer that's on board the machine, to prepare it for the installation of the cap system. Find the button marked Change with a cap symbol, press it, and you'll find the submenu which gives you all of the options of the hoops provided for the machine. Press the 260 by 60 or cap hoop button, and you'll be prompted with the Must Uninstall Cap Driver for Machine Safety message. Preparing the machine from a software standpoint is really important prior to installing the physical cap driver onto the machine. And to do that, we take off the arms and we ensure that we are properly readying the machine for the next step. You can then go ahead and press OK on the machine to proceed with the next process. You'll notice the machine will start moving and calibrating, getting ready for the cap driver. It will also flip the logo for you so that you can get it ready for embroidery. And now we're ready to install the cap driver. Secure the cap driver in your hand with the finger on the top and the hand inside the cap driver, ensuring that the wheels are pointing upwards as well as the front of the cap is turned to point upwards. The metal groove provided will help move and install the cap driver properly into the machine. You can turn the back of the cap driver to ensure that the wheels themselves are pointed upwards. Once everything is in the correct direction, you can insert wheels first into the machine so that they hook on the bottom railing, sliding the cap driver right into place with ease. At this point, you don't have to force any parts of the cap driver if the process is followed properly and everything is pointed upwards. Once the bolts are in the right groove, you can then go ahead and tighten and fasten by turning clockwise until it is firmly affixed onto the machine. Please ensure that the cap driver is pushed all the way into the groove so that it is installed properly prior to securing the bolts down on both sides of the arm. The MakeIT cap system comes with the cap gauge, which can be mounted on the side of the machine, and then you can slide the cap hoop right into place until you hear it click. And now that we're ready to hoop the cap, we want to unfasten the metal band at the top of the hoop, placing the backing underneath the metal clip, followed by the lip of the cap, in the same way we're showing you in the video. And you want to make sure that the center part of the cap is aligned with the alignment line at that top clip. And once the cap is inserted into place, you want to bring around the metal band and lock it into place on the hoop. Let's take a look at this process one more time from a different angle. You can adjust the tightness of the buckle on the side of the hoop at the bottom of the band with a Phillips screwdriver by simply tightening or loosening the screw. And finally, once the cap is in place, you can bring the metal band around and hook the band onto the side of the cap, tightening it into place. Once you're ready to release the cap, you simply place your fingers on the clips and you release the 3 clips at the same time. The best way to mount the cap hoop onto the machine is to slide it in sideways, turn it so that the metal groove is facing upwards, and then clip it right into place until you hear the 3 clicks. To dismount, you simply locate all 3 clips around the cap hoop and you press them simultaneously and you release it out of place. The last part of our video today will be to show you how to remove the cap system from the machine. We're going to start by loosening the 2 screws located at the top arm by turning them counterclockwise. Once the cap driver is loose, hold it firmly with both hands, placing the thumbs at the top, and then slide it out slowly. Thank you for watching. Please visit joininbound.com to learn more.